Before going to learn finding the square roots, once you observe the perfect square numbers. So here 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, 5 square 25, 6 square is 36, 7 square is 49, 8 square is 64, 9 square is 81, 10 square is 100, etc. Observe the last digit of each perfect square answer. Here 1, 4, 9, 6, 5, 6, 9, 4, 1, 0. So that means the perfect square never end with 2, 3, 7, 8. So it is very important. So perfect square number never end with 2, 3, 7, 8 and never end with odd number of zeros. See here 100 is a perfect square number. How many zeros are there? 2 zeros are there. But 1000 is there. 1000 is not a perfect square number because it has a 3 zeros, that means odd number of zeros. For example, 400 is there. It is ending with even number of zeros, so it is a perfect square number. But 4000 is not a perfect square number because it is ending with odd number of zeros. So let us find out the square root of one number, that is 2209. So what is the square root of 2209? So first of all, it is a perfect square number or not, we can verify very easily. Here see, it is ending with 9, so 9 is not in this list. Okay, so definitely it is a perfect square number. So last digit is 9, means in the square root answer it is ending with 3 because 3 3s are 9. So ending with 3 or ending with 7 also because 7 7s are 49, 3 3s are 9. In the both cases last digit is 9. So that is why the square root answer may be end with either 3 or 7. Next one, unit place completed. Next it's before tens place required. So to get the tens place, just you cancel the last 2 digits. The remaining number is what? 22. What is the nearest perfect square number for 22? It is a very clear 16. 16 is the nearest to 22. 16 means 4 4s are 16. That means 4 square. Then this 4 will come at this place. So that means either 43 or 47. So now which answer is correct? So that means we need to verify here. So 43 into 43, 47 into 47. 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 4 3s are 12, 1 carry, 4 4s are 16 plus 1 17, 9 4 8 1. Next to 47, 7 7s are 49, 4 carry, 7 4s are 28 plus 4 32, 7 4s are 28, 2 carry, 4 4s are 16 plus 2 18, so 9 10 1 carry, 9 plus 3 12 1 carry. So here 2209. So then what is the square root of 2209? So that is 47. Let's go to one more problem. Square root of 1681. See here, whether it is perfect square number or not, you have to verify. See here, last digit is 1. 1 is not in this list. So definitely it is a perfect square number. Then we can find out the square root. Next one is last digit is 1. So then in the answer, maybe the answer end with either 1 or 9. Because 1 square is 1, 9 square 81. See, in the both cases last digit is 1. So that is why in the answer maybe the last digit is either 1 or 9. Now let's find out the tens place digit. So to find out the tens place digit, what we have to do? Just you cancel the last 2 digits. So then here is a 16. So 16, it is already perfect square number. So it is equals to 4 square. So the 4 will come at this place. So that means either 41 or 49 is the answer for under root 1681. So to verify that, 41 into 41, 49 into 49. 1 ones are 1, 1 fours are 4, 4 ones are 4, 4 fours are 16. 1, 8, 6, 1. So 1681. Anyhow, let's verify this one also. 9 nines are 81, 1 8 carry, 9 fours are 36, plus 8 is 44. Next to 4 nines are 36, 3 carry, 4 fours are 16, plus 3, 19, 1, 10, 1 carry, 14 plus 1, so 2401. So it is very clear, under root 1681 is 41. So one more problem, under root 10404. So let's find its square root answer. First of all, the last digit is 4. So 4 is not in this list. So that means it is a perfect square number, no doubt. And last digit is 4. So that means maybe the answer will be end with either 2 or 8. Because 2 square is 4, 8 square is 64. So in the both cases last digit is 4. So that is why maybe the last digit is either 2 or 8. Now cancel the last two digits and the remaining number is 104. What is the nearest perfect square number for 104? So that is 100. So 100 nothing but 10 square. So then, so here is a 10 will come. So 102, either 108. Now we have to verify these two. 102 into 102, 108 into 108. So here 102 into 102, 2 twos are 4, 2 into 0, 0, 2 into 1 is 2, here 0, 0, 0, 0, sorry, 1 twos are 2, 0, 1. So 4, 0, 4, 0, 1. So it is very clear, 102 is the answer. If you are multiplying 108 into 108, you will not get this answer. So you can verify that answer also. Let's find out one more value. So square root of 13456. So 13,456. See here the last digit is 6. So 6 is not in this list. So definitely it is a perfect square number. Next, if the last digit is 6, so then answer is end with 6 or 4. Because 6 6 are 36, okay, and 4 4s are 16. In the two cases, the last digit is 6. So that is why the answer may be end with either 6 or 4. So next, cancel the last two digits and the remaining digits are 134. So the nearest perfect square number for 134 is 121. So that is 11 square. So this 11 will come beside of the 6 and 4. Now you have to verify 116 square and 114 square. See 116 square, 6 6 are 36, 3 carry. See here I verified 116 into 116 is 13,456, but 114 into 114 is 12,996. So under root 13,456 equals to 116. I hope you understand this trick. Thank you.